obviously this is not how it's staying. I just threaded the 2 wires down here. So there's one of them and there's the other. So I just gotta cut those connectors off, splice into those, and then up here I'll just tuck all this away once it's all connected up. This I can just ground to probably there. We'll just ground that there, or maybe there. Yeah, probably there. And then this wire goes to the switch. It's got the connector on it. I wish it was just the wire because then I could thread in easy, but since it's not, what I think I'm gonna need to do here is cut a hole in, or cut a slit in the steering shaft here, because this is just a rubber boot. So I think I'm gonna cut a slit underneath or up top, and then thread the wire in through there, and then I'll be on the inside. Done. This is just tape, so I can mount this. Maybe I'll just thread this through there. Then I don't know, somewhere on here. I don't really care. And then that's that. How do I even get to this? It's not that good of access to get a wire through, but do what I gotta do, I guess. So I'm gonna cut a slit there and see if I can get the wire through. Done all the wiring down here. They're all spliced in, connected nice. I use lots of electrical tape, so hopefully won't have any problems there. The switch is on the inside. I fed the connector through, so now it's just tucking this all away and then connecting these wires up here. I wanted a switch ground or a switch power, but just so it wouldn't have a parasitic drain on the battery, but I guess it's fine. Doesn't really matter, so yep. This can just hang out down there. Like I said, I'm gonna ground that to there, and then I'll just connect and we're good to go. And this is why I literally cannot understand why people even make LED headlights where the wire comes out the side. Like, it makes no sense. You can't use these clips with LEDs that come out the side. Why do they not just come out the back like normal? So I have never understood that. Yes, I get there's a fan there, but there's nothing underneath there. You guys probably can't see that. You could have just had a hole come right out the back with the wire. Yeah, I don't know why there hasn't been companies that do that yet. It makes no sense. So now if I want to use these, I gotta duct tape the bulbs in there, which is fine with me. I've done it before, I'll do it again. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I just plugged one of them in. I'll see if I can get a comparison here. Oh, okay. That actually looks pretty cool. Okay, why? Oh yeah, I unplugged this one, didn't I? Oh yeah. Okay, well, anyways, this actually looks really, really good. This is more like, it's definitely not, like, it feels like more than 6K, so that's so sweet. Okay, got the other one in. I just need to duct tape these, but what both of them look like. Actually looks really, really good. I'm pretty stoked on this. Definitely wakes the headlights up a little bit. See, like now, okay, you guys tell me which housings I should go for. The black housings on the inside. I don't want to go smoked. I don't want to be that illegal. So yeah, either the clear chrome ones or the smoke or the black housings on the inside. So there we go. These lights all seem like I haven't had light bars in a while, so I can't tell for sure, but these lights all seem like they're a little bit more like blue or almost even like purple. than like a typical LED like 6K light bar. So there we go. So that's that. On, off, and yeah. So that's actually pretty easy. I'm not very good at wiring, so if I can figure it out, you guys definitely can figure it out. I just kind of tucked everything here. It's not that pretty, but it's fine. So yeah, I wish I knew what all this stuff did. Like I honestly have no idea, but whatever, it all works. So there we go. There's the lighting install. Thanks again. Actually, I'll tidy up this and then I'll say something. I will leave the links to all this stuff in the description below, but these headlights were the G2 series that they got. They're pretty good. I mean, aside from the thing that I said with the way the lights are, all of them come like that. I don't know why they all should come straight out the back of the bulb like this. Instead they come out the side, but it's whatever. So big shout out to JDM A-Star for letting me do this. And it's opportunities like this why I really like YouTube, and this is why I keep doing it. So yeah, really stoked. And I'll get you some night clips on how they look. Okay, so nighttime now. Like I said, I was gonna get some night clips of the bars and the headlights. So here we go. Wow. That's actually unreal. And do I have high beams? So the high beams change a little bit, as you guys can see. But those are really good. And then the light bars. There's those, and headlights again. Look pretty good. They are white. I take back what I said about the blue color, so. There you guys go. Hope you enjoy.